Hello, everyone. It's me, Santana, and I'm back with another vlog. Let's do this shit. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? How is everyone doing today? Good, awesome, glad to hear it. I'm doing pretty good. Today is May 7th. I believe it is a Thursday, and I'm gonna do something a little special, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. So, as many of you probably know, okay, okay, let me try that again. As many of you probably are aware, this Sunday is Mother's Day, and I decided that I wanted to do a little something special and make a Mother's Day present for my mom and also for my sister, because you guys probably are not aware, but I'm an aunt now. My sister just gave birth to her first child about a week or two ago now, so I'm an auntie and it's my sister's first Mother's Day, so I thought it would be nice to make her something too. So we're gonna go to Home Depot. We're gonna try to find some succulents. I have these little mason jars. I'm gonna paint them, plant a little succulent, you know, something a little cute, little aesthetic, little quirky little project. So that's what we're doing today. Let me show you my outfit of the day. All right, off the bat, we got a Shein outfit going on. Watch my last video. Watch my last video if you want to see a little haul of all the things I got from Shein. But this whole outfit is from Shein. Top, pants, funky fresh. For shoes, which is more flexible, we got white high top Air Force Ones. You see the vision. You get it. All right, let's go to Home Depot. Ooh, okay, it is so hot in this car and outside. It's like 90 degrees outside right now, and it's not even that sunny. Like, it's like almost this kind of little overcast kind of vibe. Yeah, it is hot out here, and I am ready for summer. But I just wish I had a pool. Anyone during this quarantine who has a pool in their backyard, fuck you. Like, you actually don't understand how blessed you are. Yeah, we're gonna do it this way. You gotta look at me through my steering wheel. Okay, so we're about to go into Home Depot. Thank God. Last time I drove past you, there was a long ass line literally just to go inside. There's no line today, so that's awesome. I got my mask because safety first, bitches. No miscarona for me today. Not for me, not today. No, sweetie, not me. I am not the one. I am not the one. All right, let's go search for some, oh my God. Okay, fuck it, let's go find some freaking succulents. Gang, gang, gang. This is so perfect, literally. Right when you walk in the store is a whole thing of succulents. They put these here for me. They knew I was coming. Well, that was significantly easier than I had actually anticipated, and took me probably less than 5 minutes. So I got the little succulents. They were only like not even $4 each, like really good price. So I'm happy, and look how cute they are. Are you kidding me? Okay, everyone, I have my setup right here in front of me. I have these little mason jars. I just happen to have a whole like collection of mason jars. Hi, gang. In my garage. So I just grabbed these two little ones. I think these will be just about the perfect size. You know, you see the vision. I'm gonna have to get like dirt from my backyard and then put this, you know, we'll get there when we get there. Look at how cute this one is. You can't tell me these succulents are adorable. Oh my God, I love them. I wish I bought one for myself. So I'm going to paint the jars, and I'll be back when that is done, I guess. All right, ladies and gentlefish, I finally finished finished painting the jars. Now, something I learned through this process is that it is actually a lot more difficult to paint a mason jar than you would anticipate. And the paint, I don't know, it gets like thick, weird, it dries weird, I don't know, whatever. But this is what we're working with. I'm gonna show you my one that I like less. This is the one I'm gonna give to my sister. It just has little flowers all over it. See how it like, it's kind of hard to like fully cover the glass. I don't know, it was weird, but that's that. And then the other one just looks like this with some little hearts. Cute. Now I need to put dirt in both of these before I can transfer the succulents, but my mom is downstairs right now, so I don't want to go do that in front of her. I think I'm actually gonna have to wait until the morning to be able to do that because I don't want my mom to see. But just for like a little vision, just ignore the actual pot. This is what it's gonna look like. I need to put like a popsicle stick or something in this plant because this little guy's starting to get a little droopy. But you see the vision? It's gonna be cute. Okay, so I'm gonna finish in the morning, I guess. Maybe I'll do it tonight. Whenever I finish, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, hey guys. So it is the next morning. Got little babies. And my mom is in the shower. So right now is the perfect time to go into my backyard and collect some dirt and actually plant the little suckers. Let's do this. Also, does anyone else's skin look the best like right when they wake up? Like I swear my skin doesn't look any better than it does right when I get out of bed. It just progressively gets worse throughout the day. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm in my garage because I realized I need some sort of shovel. Where would a shovel be in this house? Wait, we have a tool shed. Maybe we keep our tools in our tool shed. I don't know, that would make sense. It is a beautiful day outside, out here, tool shed. Tools, well, wait, am I using the right word? Oh yeah, gardening tools, tools. Here are all our tools. Shovel. A little shovel. Little hand shovel. Okay, I found this. I don't know if this is like technically a shovel. I think it might be called a trowel. I don't know why that word's coming into my head. I feel like I learned that in like Max and Ruby or something. But so I'm gonna use this. It'll work either way, whether it's a shovel or not. So I keep walking through spider webs. I hate this. Right now I'm going to dig this dirt from my planter and put it into here. It's self-explanatory. Okay, I've filled them up all the way. Now I'm gonna take the succulent out of the pot and put it in there. Once again, pretty self-explanatory. Also, I like how these labels have the name of what the plant is and the best way to take care of them. I need pictures of that because that's important. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Come on. Are you kidding me? I did that. I did that. I did that. I did that. Oh. Hello, it's me after editing this, and I forgot to film an outro, so here I am to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your favorite cousin. Right now, I'm working super duper hard to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button if you liked this video, and catch you on the flip.